In this video, we are going to take a look at how Streamvisor's role-based access control can democratize access to your data streaming infrastructure, while at the same time putting security first. I'm logged in as the admin user inside of my Pulsar cluster, and I can see there are 3 tenants. If I go to the demo tenant, there are 2 namespaces, CRM and music, each containing a bunch of topics. The customer success team has reached out to me because they would like to get access to data in the customer topic, but we don't want them to corrupt any data, and we don't want them to see data irrelevant to them either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a group for them and assign them the relevant permissions. I already created a group called customer support, and if I go down here, I already added 1 member to it. But the important thing is to set the right resource permissions. So let's add a new term permission for a topic and say on the standalone environment right now, there is a topic in the demo tenant, the CRM namespace called customer. And for this topic, we would like to give them view access. We want them to consume the topic and they can also view the schema. So let's hit save permissions. And now we have everything set up. I'm going to log in as the support user now. And if we go to the Explorer page, we can compare it and see that while the admin has all of these tenants, we only see the demo tenant. Inside of it, we only see the CRM namespace. And inside here, we only have the customer topic. And now I can also take a look at the customer topic and consume my data without making any accidental changes.